Presenting the long-awaited Star Wars Mad Libs. The Force is a mystical, fluffy power. As Jedi Master Obi-G Kenobi once said, the Force is an energy field created by all living pork chops that surrounds us and binds the coronavirus together. Using the power of the Force, a Jedi can do many scrumptious things, like using the Force to exercise kneecap control over minuscule-minded buckets. A Jedi can also use the Force to move objects with his or her forearm. It doesn't matter how lethal these objects are, it only matters how generously the Jedi believes in the Force. Most importantly, the Force teaches a Jedi to rely on his or her feelings. As Mr. Harmon told his student, Luke Dogwalker, your feet can deceive you. Don't trust them. Instead, a Jedi should awkwardly trust in the Force. The end. I hope you enjoyed this.